Good morning, this is Dr. Will, CBMD, PhD. It is Friday, October 7, 2011, 6:41 a.m. Eastern Time. Quick note. Plants may have the genetic flexibility to respond to climate change. Science Daily, October 6, 2011. Plants may have the genetic flexibility to respond to climate change. In experiments with a common European plant, Arabidopsis thaliana, a team of researchers led by Brown University scientists learned that climate is the agent that determines the suit of genes that gives the plant the best chance of surviving and reproducing throughout its natural range. The finding may unlock the molecular basis for other plants' adaptability to climate change. Results appear in Science. End. Good evening, this is Dr. Will, CBMD, PhD. This is Thursday, October 6, 2011, 10:35 p.m. Eastern Time. Quick note. Patient-specific stem cells, major step towards cell-based therapies for life-threatening diseases. Science Daily, October 6, 2011. A team of scientists led by the Scott Noggle of the New York Stem Cell Foundation, NYSCF, laboratory in New York City, has made an important advance in the development of patient-specific stem cells that could impact the study and treatment of diseases such as diabetes, Parkinson's, and Alzheimer's. And good morning, this is Dr. Will, CBMD, PhD. It is Friday, October 7, 2011, 6:43 a.m. Eastern Time. Quick note. Is surgery the norm for insects? Science Daily, October 7, 2011. The long-standing consensus of why insects stick together after mating has been turned on its head by scientists from the University of Exeter, published October 6 in the Current Biology. Their studies show that, contrary to previous thinking, females benefit from this arrangement just as much as males. Instead of dominating their female partners through bullying and aggressive behavior, males were revealed to be protective, even laying their lives on the line when their mates face danger. End. Good evening, this is Dr. Will, CBMD, PhD. This is Thursday, October 6, 2011, 10:37 p.m. Eastern Time. Quick note. The achievement is significant because such patient-specific cells potentially can be transplanted to replace damaged or diseased cells in persons with diabetes and other diseases without rejection by patient's immune system. The scientists report further work is necessary before such cells can be used in cell replacement medicine. And good evening, this is Dr. Will, CBMD, PhD. This is Thursday, October 6, 2011, 10:38 p.m. Eastern Time. Quick note. Astronomers find elusive planets in decade-old Hubble data. Science Daily, October 6, 2011. In painstaking reanalysis of Hubble Space Telescope images from 1998, astronomers have found visual evidence for two extrasolar planets that went undetected back then. And good morning, this is Dr. Will, CBMD, PhD. It is Friday, October 7, 2011, 6:44 a.m. Eastern Time. Quick note. Lungfish provides insight to life on land. Humans are just modified fish. Science Daily, October 4, 2011. A study into the muscle development of several different fish has given insights into the genetic leap that set the scene for the evolution of hind legs into terrestrial animals. This innovation gave rise to the tetrapods, four-legged creatures, and our distant ancestors that made the first small steps on land some 400 million years ago. And good evening, this is Dr. Will, CBMD, PhD. It's Thursday, October 6, 2011, 10:39 p.m. Eastern Time. Quick note. Finding these hidden gems in the Hubble archive gives astronomers an invaluable time machine for comparing much earlier planet orbital motion data to more recent observations. It also demonstrates a novel approach for planet hunting in archival Hubble data. And good morning, this is Dr. Will, CBMD, PhD. This is Saturday, October 8, 2011, 1:15 a.m. Eastern Time. Quick note. Crab pulsar beams most energetic gamma rays ever detected from a pulsar. Science Daily, October 7, 2011. Astrophysicists have detected gamma ray emission from the crab pulsar at energies far beyond what current theoretical models of pulsars can explain. With energies exceeding 100 billion electron volts, 100 GeV, the surprising gamma ray pulses were detected by the Veritas telescope array at the Whipple Observatory in Arizona and reported by an international team of scientists in a paper in October 7th issue of Science. Corresponding author Namok Oat, postdoctoral researchers at the University of California, Santa Cruz, said that some researchers had told him he was crazy to even look for pulsar emission in this energy realm. And good morning, this is Dr. Will, CBMD, PhD. It's Saturday, October 8, 2011, 1:18 a.m. Eastern Time. Quick note. Ionic liquid catalyst helps turn emissions into fuel. Science Daily, October 7, 2011. An Illinois research team has succeeded in overcoming one major obstacle to a promising technology that simultaneously reduces atmospheric carbon dioxide and produces fuel. And good morning, this is Dr. Will, CBMD, PhD. Saturday, October 8, 2011, 1:18 a.m. Eastern Time. Quick note. Artificial photosynthesis is the process of converting carbon dioxide gas into useful carbon-based chemicals, most notably fuel or other compounds usually derived from petroleum, as an alternative to extracting them from biomass. And Good morning, this is Dr. Will, CBMD, PhD. It's Saturday, October 8, 2011, 1:24 a.m. Eastern Time. Quick note. Ancient supernovas discovered 10 billion-year-old exploding stars were a source of Earth's iron, researchers say. Science Daily, October 7, 2011. Supernova stars in the process of exploding open a window onto the history of the elements of Earth's periodic table, as well as the history of the universe. All of those heavier than oxygen were formed in nuclear reactions that occurred during these explosions. And good morning, this is Dr. Will, CBMD, PhD. It's Saturday, October 8, 2011, 1:29 a.m. Eastern Time. Quick note. Natural compound helps reverse diabetes in mice. Science Daily, October 7, 2011. Researchers at the Washington University School of Medicine in St. Louis have restored normal blood sugar metabolism in diabetic mice using a compound the body makes naturally. The findings suggest that it may one day be possible for people to take the compound much like a daily vitamin as a way to treat or even prevent type 2 diabetes. This naturally occurring compound is called nicotinamide mononucleotide, or NMN, and it plays a vital role in how cells use energy. Good morning, this is Dr. Will, CBMD, PhD, Saturday, October 8, 2011, 1:32 a.m. Eastern Time. Quick note. Astrophysicists and extinctionists knew about planet-threatening events. Science Daily, October 7, 2011. Space is a violent place. If a star explodes or a black hole collide anywhere in our part of the Milky Way, they give off a colossal blast of lethal gamma rays, X-rays, and cosmic rays, and it's perfectly reasonable to expect Earth to be bathed in them. A new study of such events has yielded some new information about the potential effects of what are called short-hard interstellar radiation events. And good morning, this is Dr. Will, CBMD, PhD, Saturday, October 8, 2011, 1:34 a.m. Eastern Time. Quick note. Several studies in the past have demonstrated how longer high-energy radiation bursts, such as those caused by supernova and extreme solar flares, can deplete stratospheric ozone, allowing the most powerful and damaging forms of ultraviolet radiation to penetrate to Earth's surface. The probability of an event intense enough to disrupt life on the land or in the oceans becomes large, if considered on the geological timescale, so getting a handle on the rates and intensities of such events is important for efforts to connect them to extinctions in the fossil record. And